step into the Nissan 2019 370Z Coupe Sport Touring. If you are looking for an automobile with great features, look no further. Enjoy these notable features: charcoal synthetic suede and leather seat trim, L94, carpeted trunk mat, N92, illuminated kick plates, magnetic black metallic, B92, body color splash guards, 4-piece, Z66, activation disclaimer, L92, carpeted floor mats, rear-wheel drive and power steering. If you are looking for a solid pre-owned car, this might be the one. Low mileage is an important factor in your purchase, and this vehicle delivers a low odometer reading. Let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call or click to contact our dealership.